Hello, my beautiful friends. This is day 5 of my spring cleansing that I'm doing in partnership with the 99. So I decided to do a little bit of a healthy kickstart for spring. So I've been doing a whole series. So this is day 5 out of 7. So if you have missed any of those videos, want to catch up on all the delicious recipes, I will link it down below. So with that, let's get started. So today's recipe is going to include 3 cut up green apples as well as 2 cups of kale. So this one could be a really simple one. All right, so some of the benefits of this juice includes it's rich in antioxidants, has vitamin A, vitamin C. It's also really good for your gut, and lastly, it does help promote hair growth. Again, as I mentioned in previous videos, these recipes are purely for inspiration. If you are looking to do any specific diet or any juicing, I would definitely suggest to check with your doctor before you start anything. So again, I do appreciate you checking these out, but these are for inspiration only. So, all right, so this is it. It made about 2 cups of juice. I'm excited to try this. And I always like to pour into a separate cup, just for cleansiness. So I'm excited to try this one. I've never actually tried this one before, so let's see what I think. Cheers. Ooh, okay, yeah, this one's pretty good. It's not, I thought the kale was going to be overpowering, but no, I think the apples balance it out. So that was actually a pretty good one. Ooh, that was really tasty. I'm going to have to make it again. So as a quick reminder, the 99 does have plenty of items for healthy eating or even workout. And one thing I actually just found out today was that their dumbbells as well as medicine balls are all marked down to 99 cents. So definitely check them out. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.